Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to download FC26 on PC and laptop. Alright, let's begin. First, choose a platform to download the game. You can use Steam, Epic Games, or the EA app. The steps are almost the same on all platforms. In this video, I am using Steam. Open Steam on your PC and tap on the search bar at the top. Type FC26 and press Enter. Once the search results load, open the FC26 game page. Scroll down and click on the purchase option and complete the payment process. When the purchase is finished, go to your library from the top menu. Find FC26 in your games list and select it. Now click on Install and choose the installation location. The download will start automatically. So that's basically how you can download FC26 on PC and laptop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.